What are Instagram ads all about? Social media plays an important role in the daily life of millions of people all over the world. There are several online applications that most people commonly use as a powerful tool of communication. One example of this is Instagram. What are Instagram ads? This form of advertisement started in the United States way back in November of 2013. Most aspiring business enthusiasts are now using Instagram ads to reach a high degree of sales and profits for their specific business. Instagram ads can be powerful to grow your business if you use it in an efficient and professional way. Instagram has become one of the world's largest mobile ad platforms. Since Instagram has been one of the most popular social platforms in today's digital age, many people prefer to use it to promote their business. Several researchers revealed that in the Middle East, Instagram has been the leading social platform compared to other social media channels. In connection to this, people also use Instagram ads to make the most out of their businesses. Instagram ads benefits for businesses. In the very competitive world of business, only a few remain on top. Therefore, you must develop a new and more innovative strategy to reach the goals and missions of your company in the best and fastest possible way. You can do that by simply engaging with Instagram ads. The tool can serve as a powerful technique to gain more potential customers for your products and services. To mention a few, the following are some of the advantages of using Instagram ads for your business. Provides you various ad formats. It is a fact that people buy items that are well represented in the public. Based on this, with the different ad formats that Instagram can provide you, you'll have the chance to choose a professional format that perfectly suits the high standards of customers. Additionally, you can have an attractive promotional campaign that can help you boost your business's profits. High amount of public audience. Since Instagram is a very powerful online communications tool, it is now easier for you to reach a greater public audience that could soon be your potential customers. In addition to this, you can have unlimited promotion for your business for almost no cost. The good thing about that is you can share your Instagram ads with your friends, and they can serve as your live advertisers by sharing it with their friends. Competitive ad targeting. Through the help of Instagram ads, a specific business advertiser can target a specific audience based on age, gender, and location. It is a unique and most efficient promotional strategy to gain a high level of sales and income from your business. With just a click on your website, visitors can now experience great financial stability without spending much time and effort. Less competition. When you choose Instagram advertising, you'll have more chances to win for your business. It is believed that Facebook has almost 2 million advertisers, which reflects very tough competition in the market. Meanwhile, it would be a wise move to choose Instagram ads. The competition is very limited. You'll build a community that comes back from time to time. By simply establishing a more efficient and professional Instagram ad, you have the chance to gain more regular customers that will support your product and services for a long period of time. As a result, you can also build a solid reputation in the industry. Instagram ads shocking facts. In 2015, Instagram was forecasted to bring in $595 million in mobile ad revenue. By 2017, Instagram's global mobile ad revenues will reach $2.8 billion. Instagram will be the next big thing for your business's success. Scientific studies show that Instagram ads will be the next gold rush in the coming 6 to 12 months. Most business analysts say that Instagram ads are more efficient and more profitable and less saturated compared to Facebook ads. It is said that 61% of Instagram users like at least one media per day, and more than 30% like over 10 media per day. With this numerical fact, the aspiring advertiser can now have the chance to get more potential customers in just a very short period of time. Additionally, more people will be aware of your specific products and automatically help you grow your business. Your Instagram ad posts can get 308% more engagement compared to Facebook and 1,313% more than on Twitter. This Instagram ads fact is a reflection that it can be the most effective tool for promotion when it comes to attaining the goals and missions of your business. Statistics show that the average post on Instagram gets 2.12% engagement, which is 308% higher than the total page likes, 0.52%, for the average Facebook post, and 1,313% higher than the total followers, 0.15%, that engage with the average tweet. According to studies, Instagram is increasingly the go-to social network for people under 35. With this fact, your Instagram ads can reach a high level of potential customers of all ages. It is believed that about 90% of Instagram users are below the age of 35. Statistics show that 32% of U.S. teens use Instagram as their basic platform. Do you want to attain a high degree of sales and income with your business? You can transform your company's goals and missions easily if you engage more with Instagram ads. Find out what is possible if you use it as a powerful business tool.